Number 1. 1995 GMC 1500, price $5,800, with a powerful LS 5.3 engine swap, which has only 80,000 miles on it. The engine swap was professionally done, with $4,000 in documented work. Paired with an automatic transmission and a four-wheel drive system, this truck delivers strong performance. The exterior is finished in silver, while the interior features a clean gray design. With a total of 180,000 miles on the odometer, it remains a solid vehicle with plenty of life left. Recent maintenance includes a brand new clutch and a new gas pump, enhancing its reliability. The truck runs exceptionally well but will require tuning or a larger fuel pump to function as a dependable daily driver. Despite this, it is a fantastic project truck with a lot of potential for the right owner. Its combination of classic styling and modern engine performance makes it a rare find. Whether it's for off-road adventures, a weekend cruiser, or a restoration project, this GMC 1500 is a great platform for someone looking to own a unique and capable pickup. Number 2. 1971 Ford F250, price $7,500, with just 61,000 miles on the odometer. This truck is a testament to its durability and the care it has received over the years. It is powered by a robust 6.4L V8 engine, which has recently undergone significant work, including a new engine block. Over $7,000 has been invested in the engine, with receipts available to verify the work done. Paired with an automatic transmission, power steering, and disc brakes, it offers a smooth and dependable driving experience. The exterior is finished in an attractive brown color, maintaining its vintage appeal while complementing its rugged build. The interior remains all original, showcasing the truck's authenticity and classic charm. Factory-installed air conditioning ensures comfort, while the solid floorboards and overall cleanliness highlight the vehicle's well-maintained condition. With a clean title, this F250 runs and drives as it should, making it a reliable and highly desirable classic truck. Number 3. 1985 Dodge D150, price $8,500, with a well-maintained 318 automatic engine equipped with a 2 BBL Holley carburetor. With 125,000 miles on the odometer, it has recently undergone servicing, including the installation of a new alternator, battery, and water pump. This truck runs and drives smoothly, has a clean title, and is ready for its next owner. Notably, it is completely rust-free, with an immaculate dashboard and roof, free from any blemishes. It features a brand new GM steering column, new shocks, and a recently installed D250 brake booster. Additionally, the air conditioning system has been upgraded and now blows cold air, ensuring comfort on the road. The truck also sits on 4 brand new tires, providing excellent grip and stability. With its striking red exterior and matching red interior, this Dodge D150 remains in excellent condition. Number 4. 1973 Ford F250, price $6,500, with only 16,200 miles on the odometer. It features a manual transmission and a powerful 390 cubic inch V8 engine with a 4-barrel carburetor. The exterior is finished in blue, while the interior is upholstered in tan. This truck is a 2-wheel drive model equipped with a 4-speed transmission. Additionally, it has an aluminum radiator and dual electric fans wired in for improved cooling performance. With minimal rust and remarkably low original mileage, this F250 remains in great shape for its age. It runs and drives, though, like most vintage vehicles, it could use some TLC. Included with the truck is a full set of white steel wheels, an additional carburetor purchased for parts, and a complete jet kit. Number 5. 1982 Ford F150, price $6,000. This truck is in excellent mechanical condition, running and driving smoothly with a fully functional 4WD system. Equipped with a 4-speed manual transmission, it is powered by a dependable straight-six engine, known for its durability and reliability. Its sleek black exterior is complemented by a clean gray interior, giving it a timeless and rugged look. Running on gasoline, this F150 has been recently upgraded with brand new tires and several other improvements under the hood to ensure optimal performance. It comes with a clean title and collector plates, making it a valuable and well-maintained classic. Number 6. 1979 Ford F150, price $2,850. It has 53,000 miles and features a 400, 6.6L engine with an automatic C6 transmission and a Ford 9-inch rear end. It has a white exterior, a tan interior, and runs on gasoline. Recent upgrades include a new battery, hood latch, headlight wiring harness, bulbs, brakes, brake lines, master cylinder, and nearly new tires. A fresh oil change has been done, and the truck has a clean title with current registration. Though not the most eye-catching, this F-150 is a strong and reliable runner. The 400 engine was rebuilt by a previous owner, with paperwork to verify the work. It has a true dual glass pack exhaust that sounds great, pop-out rear windows, and was originally a factory AC truck. Number 7. 1966 Chevrolet C10, price $8,000. It has been under the current owner's care since 2011 and has been meticulously maintained over the years. Always stored indoors during the winter months from November to March, it has remained in excellent running condition and continues to be a dependable classic. With 120,000 miles on the odometer, this vintage truck is equipped with a manual transmission and runs on gasoline, offering an authentic driving experience. Significant maintenance has been performed to keep it in top shape, including new tires and brakes installed in 2021, a rebuilt carburetor in 2023, and a new battery added in 2024. Now, this well-preserved classic is looking for a new home where it will be just as appreciated and well cared for. Number 8. 1996 Chevrolet 3500, price $5,500, features a manual transmission, a powerful 454 engine paired with an NV 4500 5-speed, and a white exterior with a tan interior. With just over 180,000 miles and counting, it has been upgraded with a brand new 2-inch cowl hood, paint-matched mirrors, new kryptonite tie rods with an alignment, and a Class 5 Kurt hitch with a gooseneck ball. The driver's side door has a new patch, and both door handles have been replaced. For performance and style, the truck retains its dual exhaust with catalytic converters but now features Black Widow neighbor-hater mufflers for a more aggressive tone. It rides on 20 by 10 American Trucks wheels wrapped in 33-inch tires, giving it a bold stance. Number 9. 1989 Chevrolet 1500, price $6,300, powered by a robust 5.7L V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission. With 265,000 miles on the odometer, this classic pickup remains in excellent working condition. It features a sleek black exterior, a single cab, and a short bed, making it both practical and stylish. As a 4x4 model, it is well equipped for various terrains and driving conditions. Every system functions properly, and regular maintenance has been consistently performed on time, ensuring that the truck is reliable and ready for immediate use. Number 10. 1981 Ford F250, price $5,000, with 103,000 miles, an automatic transmission, and a bold red exterior with a matching interior. Powered by a low-mileage 351M engine, it has a clean title and numerous upgrades, including new mud tires, a rebuilt front hub with worn lockers, a fresh DQ pass, a new rear fuel tank, a full transmission service, and various new engine, brake, and electrical components. The interior has also been redone with a new floor. While in great shape, it could use carburetor and timing tuning, final door panel installation, a working gas gauge, and a rear gas tank filler neck replacement. With extensive recent work, this F250 is a well-maintained, powerful classic ready for the road.